Hello everyone, today we will be talking about certain things that you need to keep in mind whilst answering your IELTS speaking part 1, that is the introductory questions. So number 1, always be good with your grammar and vocabulary. So don't use complex sentences and try to keep it as simple as possible. Number 2, give detailed responses to the questions that you're asked. Don't go around the bush and try to keep it as detailed and as to the point as possible. Number 3, speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Number 4, maintain eye contact with the examiner, and once you enter the speaking hall, always make sure that you greet the examiner with a smile. It creates a good impression. And number 5, make sure that you look natural and confident in your body language. So these are some of the examples that are asked in the IELTS speaking introductory questions. So questions like, what is your name? What are your hobbies? Where do you stay? What does your family do? Are you currently studying or working, etc., etc. So make sure that you answer it based on your own personal experience, and as I mentioned earlier, look as natural and confident as possible. And guys, remember that the introductory section is your real first impression that you can make in front of the examiner, which will set the tone for the entire speaking exam. So make sure that you keep in mind. And for more such informative content, make sure you hit that follow button.